Alright, you get ready, John. Get ready, John. Oh, John. Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, to the right.
Turning.
Alright, John, it's your chance. It's your chance. Hard right, hard right, hard right.
Alright, blast him, John.
Hard right. I need to get closer.
Hard right. Hit the e-brake, hit that e-brake, dog. Yo, keep shooting the cannons on him, dog. I'm gonna repair.
Kevin, wait. Damn, dog.
I gotta come over for this one.
Dude, everybody's dead.
No.
Yo, keep blasting the ship, dog.
I had no more cannonballs.
I'm on the
Take
ship.
take the cannonballs.
Oh shit, John, you survived?
I'm alive.
Is anything down
Do
there?
they have anything?
I'm checking their bottom floor right now.
Oh my god, did I really just do that?
Yeah, you did.
Dude.
Let's get
Caddy,
out.
are you streaming?
We're gonna drown if we die. Come on, let's get up.
Caddy. Oh, guys, if y'all would have seen that.
John, let's. I was up here with you, buddy. Hey, as soon as they get back up, let's blast them. Wait, is that one right there? Oh, Caddy's over here. Oh, they're dead.
I found one of the cannons.
This thing's done. Grab their cannonballs.
Yes, grab the cannonballs. Oh, is there an exploding barrel?
Yeah,
No.
he jumped it with an exploded barrel.
Keith, that was the hardest thing I've ever done.
Hold up.
The explosion killed all of them.
Well, I killed one with a shotgun.
Oh, look at it.
Okay.
Hey, they're in the water. I see one in the water.
Yo, you guys okay? There's
one in the water.
Hey, guys.
Hey, stupid ass. What happened, bro? Hey, stupid ass.
That one's dead. Put a fucking shotgun right to his goddamn face. Ah!
Guys.